Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Starlink dish and router, and you wait for the indicator to show readiness. This prevents setup errors. Once the hardware is stable, open the Starlink app and sign in or create your account so the service can register to your location. Next, connect your phone to the router's temporary Wi-Fi network or plug an Ethernet cable into a laptop. This is how you access the web or app interface to start configuration immediately. Once connected to the router interface, set a clear SSID and a strong password, and choose WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption to protect devices. Then adjust the DHCP range or assign static IPs for fixed devices like NAS or printers. Enable UPnP for easy port handling or configure manual port forwarding for specific services. Make sure to select the best Wi-Fi band and channel, 4 GHz. Finish by running a speed and latency test to confirm performance meets your plan, and verify that critical devices have the expected IP addresses and internet access. Make sure automatic firmware updates are enabled so the router and dish stay current, and consider scheduling occasional reboots to clear memory leaks. If you encounter no internet, first check that the dish has an unobstructed view of the sky, then power cycle the system, inspect cables and connectors, and watch the LED for specific status clues before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.